Take a stroll through the streets of Lahore, Islamabad or Karachi, and the eye test bears out what the numbers tell you. Young people throng the streets, choke roads, shops and public spaces, inevitably, also a kind of chaos that can oscillate between uplifting and panic-inducing. Pakistan is, after all, one of the faster-growing countries of the world. The population rapidly member squad for home test series against Australia. Test players who are not involved in the Pakistan Super League will assemble in Karachi on February 16 for a training camp that will be held at the National Stadium. Mohammad Rizwan, Abdullah Shafiq, Azhar Ali, Fahim Ashraf, Fawad Alam, Haris Rauf, Hassan Ali, Imam ul-Haq, Muhammad Nawaz, Nauman Ali, Sajid Khan, Saud Shakil, Shaheen Shah Afridi, practicing hard in Rawalpindi for tomorrow match. Hope and pray we play better cricket and told the world we are better people.
To the South Asian country for the first time since 1998 to play a 3-match test series against Pakistan, and Watson is expecting an action-packed series with valuable ICC World Test Championship points up for grabs. And quote, I am super excited as I know how much the Pakistan people have been starved of cricket, Watson said on the latest episode of the cricket obsessed and love nothing more than watching Pakistan play and especially live cricket at home. End quote. I was fortunate to play a few Pakistan Super Leagues over there and it was one of the most amazing experiences I have had in my life. End quote. It is brilliant that cricket Australia have gone to great lengths to make sure they have got all the information they need to make sure the players' minds are at ease around the security side of things, so it is going to be a brilliant series. 18-player squad for the series, with untried quick Mark Steketee recently drafted into the squad to replace the injured Michael Nesser, and uncapped paceman Brendan Doggett remains on standby should any further injury occur. The Australians have also included 3 spinners in their touring party, with leg spinner Mitchell Swepson and left armour Ashton Agar making the trip to support experienced off-spinner Australia against fiddling too much with their already potent bowling attack, as he doesn't expect the pitches in Pakistan to offer too much to either bowling lineup. End quote. From my experience playing the Pakistan Super League, the pitches in Pakistan are great batting wickets, end quote. Watson noted. End quote. The ball doesn't really turn a lot, and certainly not as much as it did when Pakistan played in Dubai and Abu Dhabi. End quote. I think it is going to be an exceptional challenge for the Australian team to try and adapt to the Pakistan conditions when they haven't been there for so long, and how they will try to develop their game plan.
Gold walls that I built for you just to dig me out with silver spoons. No, I didn't see it coming. Oh, gold walls that I'm stuck inside. I guess beauty sees what I can't find. I didn't. Well, I got your code and I got your message. I want you to know that you are the love of my life, the love of my life. You never leave when the song is over. You ride or die till the end. You're the love of my life. You're the love of my life, my life. Oh. You love